Alright, so we're going to be taking a look at see how much room the cable management has in a Dark Flash DB33OM Mesh case. Yeah, it looks like probably not even barely an inch there. That's what she said. But yeah. Probably be able to get like basic cables underneath it. Like barely might fit. I mean, I'm barely got my fingers in there. That's what she said also. But there is no I mean that barely closes as it is, so especially with those cables, so I can only imagine how it's gonna be with power supply and everything like that, but I wouldn't say it's gonna be very tight. And that's what she said also. But anyways, yeah. There's no like indentation, to pop out where you can probably just tuck them in there and hide them, but if you're looking for a tiny cable management, yeah, this ain't the case for you. But if you just don't give a fuck and just want to do it anyways, and like me, I just don't care about cable management, at least for my cases, so it'll be fine. So, but anyways, for those who wanted to know, now you know. It's very slim to none, barely any room, but anyways, to computers, coffee, and chaos, and whatever happens, happens, but toodles.